Hello everyone. So today I'm going to take you along with the installation of this Facelift R-Grille on this V90 cross-country non-facelift. Okay, so this R-Grille is a really nice design. This new one has a radar here. And this one has not. So I'm going to try to fit this emblem on this grill. Oh yeah, a little bit of trial and error here, I think. I think it's possible to take off the grill without taking the bumper. Okay, so here I have loosened some clips, and these clips you can push them down to release them. So they have like three positions. So they have like this locked position, and then they have like the install position, which is like this. And then when you uninstall them, you push them down to release them like that. And it should, yeah, like that. Okay, so now I have loosened this centerpiece. So it's these ears here, which sit around these tongues. So you have to pull it back. Also now, I think I have to loosen these plastic on the sides here. And after that, I'm going to loosen all this screw here. Okay, so now it's the first try here. So I pull this back a bit. Then I put like a tape roll here, and then I can go with a screwdriver, I think, from the behind and do the tabs. Okay, so now I have released it. So you undo all this from this side, and then you like pull it snug. This one either breaks or releases. I don't know yet, but now it's released. So now I think I can take the bottom ones from here. Okay, so I have released it. This one actually broke. So here I'm going to show you how I release the bottom ones. So I put a flat-headed screwdriver between the tabs, and I pull it to the side to release the locking pin. So here is the grill side by side and the emblem. And the emblem sticks out a far bit on the back. So after some investigation, I decided to order a new emblem. Also, it has a different locking pattern of the tabs here. So you can't just cut it on the backside and put it on the new grill. So that was the plan from the beginning. But unfortunately, it's not possible because it's not the right tabs pattern. Okay, so now it's another day, and I'm going to put this grill back. So I have ordered a new emblem, but it has not arrived yet. So I have to put it back before, and then I just can snap the emblem in place when it arrives. So just to push this in, I guess. This corner here, the tabs like went in a bit on a wrong angle, so it didn't line up with the hole. So I just pulled it back, then just pushed with a screwdriver, pushed the tabs in a little bit, and then it just snapped into place. It looks really nice. It's so much nicer with this grill. So now I can put all the plastics and all the screws back. And here is a couple of weeks later where I picked up the emblem from Volvo, and it was like $200 or something. So it was expensive, but yeah. So this is the result on the car, and I think it looks awesome. And I have also changed the wheels and the tires on the car for a bit more aggressive look. I hope this video can help someone, and I put all the measurement and links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.